Hello friends, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel The Cactus House. Today I'll be showing you some of my lithops. Uh, though it's winter, so they are almost in the resting stage, but some of them have already started showing signs of division. So at this point of time, I'm not watering them at all. They need not to be watered uh, because the new pair of leaves that will be coming out maybe in the next fortnight will be taking up all the moisture from these old pair of leaves, so they need not to be watered. I don't water them at this point of time, just they are like that. I don't remember when I watered them last. They are super succulents, they have enough water in store and they don't need to be watered at all. So some of them have already flowered in the autumn last year, some have set it in seeds. These are some of the lithops during the winter months, so they're beautiful. This one obviously was nibbled by a nasty squirrel. They relish a lot on these juicy leaves. This one obviously has set it some seeds. These are some newly planted ones that I potted rather, about 2 months back. So they have started to come up nicely. This one again has been nibbled by a nasty squirrel. They love these. This is Titanopsis primosii. This one will also flower. Still I'm waiting for it. These are some of my lithops during the winters. I'm not watering them at all. They're just left dry. So this is it all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.